This is in regards to, black people being unified. Anyone that is, anyone that stands for or claims to stand for black unity, they have to stand alone. Why? Because all the black groups that we have, they make for the separation that we have. It's the groups. If you lost, the leader of all these groups, you got Pan-African, Hebrews, this thing, that thing, and you have the followers in all these groups. The leaders in these groups are never going to come up under the next leader's thing, and their followers are going to follow them. So you get my point? We have all these groups, but the leaders in these groups are never going to come up under the next leader's thing. The Hebrew leader is not going to come up under the Pan-African thing, and vice versa. In that, you got a dead end thing where it's like, all right, the leaders are not going to budge and their followers are going to follow them. In that, we stay separated. The best thing you could think for is maybe the leaders say, we could just start something new and all come up under that. In that, it go back to what I said. Whoever truly stand for unity got to separate themselves from the groups, because the groups is what's keeping us separated. If you lost, because we got all these separated or separate groups in our race beefing with one another, is why we don't come together and beef against whatever's the real threat against the whole race. You get my point? You got different nationalities, you got different whatever y'all want to classify everything as. Black people got so many individual groups in their race that they can't come together as one race and fight against another group or another thing in the system or whatever you want to call it. It's not about fighting, but I'm just making a point, Because we got so many groups in our race already bickering amongst each other, we never come together, and you get my point? Get to what needs to be gotten to, and that's the whole order of that whole group thing. We ain't really make Bloods and Crips and all these different separations that we have. These things was made by higher ups, and I'm not someone saying it that's like, I'm someone that's coming from the groups. I still pull up to the old neighborhood I come from. They gonna throw it up with me like I'm Blood still, even though they know I ain't. But at the same time, you get it? I don't want you to think like I'm somebody saying it because I'm on the outside. I'm somebody that there was no ending with these things for me. A person my age, they in the gang, they usually die before they in their 40s. A person in the gang, they usually die before their 40s. Shit, even a teacher, Malcolm X and them, they die early, And that I kind of reached the age where you get to see like how it be. Most of y'all probably think like there was a moment of like a separation, a kicking out or a leaving. And it wasn't like that in regards to anything I was a part of. I just move on, and you get my point? Still be good there in perspective. And so, like I said, if I go back to the gangs, they still accept me like one of their own. If I go to the Hebrew Israelites where I used to study, it's the same. They're going to receive me in the same way. If I pull up to 125th Street and see Sarnetta and them, ain't nothing going to happen. You get my point? It's all just a show because y'all like shows. But outside of a show, it's the groups. You get my point? We got too many different groups that we falling into, and we creating new groups as I'm speaking. And that is giving y'all a bunch of stuff to go against that got to do with your own. Look at it like basketball game. You make different teams, so they gonna play against each other. You make different groups, they gonna fight against each other. Whenever you make groupings, So you making opposition. In that, as a race, we got a lot of different groups, whether they political groups, gangs, this thing or that thing. And then y'all clash with one another. The leaders of these things are never going to come up under the next thing. In that, you have an adding on of many more and more and more groups. And the egos that's not going to succumb to the next group. In that, by the time 10, 15 more years pass, you're going to have 20, 30 more different groups. New Black Panther parties, new this thing, new that thing. And you get my point? It's interfering with us coming together as a whole and building from there. And like I said, the only way that's possible is if we make something new our own. Where everybody kind of have their input, or whoever, you know, are the thinkers in the race. Come up with a new name and, you know, new ideals and things to live by that's just and balanced. And then everybody have something to move on a whole. But as of now, you got many different groupings and they all have different ideologies and different perspectives. And I know most people got a brain and know ain't nobody gonna budge. In that, it is what it is. Now I'm about to depart. I see it's the goofy hour. But those of y'all that tune in for, you know, deep jewels and things like that, apply it to your life and grow. Stay out of trouble and dumb things and make good use of your idle time. Salam.